The best technique for identifying that elusive missing dimension or geometric relation is to simply drag sketch entities and observe how the sketch changes. And here's a simple illustration of this technique. This sketch appears to have the necessary dimensions to be fully defined. However, when the center point of the arc is dragged, you can clearly see that a tangent relation between the line and arc is missing. Adding the missing tangent relation fully defines the sketch. As simple as this technique is, many users, and particularly new users, are reluctant to use it. And I'm not sure exactly why, but one possible explanation I've seen is the fear of breaking the sketch entirely. See, sketches like this one that include arcs tend to make users especially nervous. This is because when you drag entities, arcs can start flipping due to changing geometric conditions. Behavior like this causes users to become timid when dragging entities. They might try to move a point ever so slightly, making it difficult to see if anything is changing. The remedy to this is to develop trust in undo. Once you've broken the sketch, don't try to drag the point back to its original position. Simply drop it and use the undo button to return your sketch to normal. Repeat this process until you can identify what parameters are missing. One more tip is to make sure you enable the display of sketch points. Now in this example, you can see one line segment remains blue, indicating that the segment is underdefined. However, if you click and drag the segment, you'll notice it won't move. To reveal the reason why, I'll go to Tools, Options, and enable the Sketch category. There's a checkbox here that allows you to display entity points in part and assembly sketches. I'll check this option and click OK. Now you can clearly see the endpoints of all line segments in this sketch. Of particular interest is the upper endpoint of the underdefined segment. Notice it's blue, and when I click and drag it, the segment loses its vertical orientation. I'll add a vertical geometric relation to the segment. And the sketch is now fully defined. You can see how displaying entity points can provide valuable clues as you search for those missing dimensions and relations.